Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer ETH on the Base network in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Ethereum's Base network is a game changer for faster, cheaper transactions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring ETH like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a compatible wallet set up. I recommend using MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, as they're user-friendly and support Base network. Download or open your wallet app, and ensure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Think enhanced security features and smoother integrations. Step 1. Connect your wallet to the Base network. Head over to the Base network bridge on their official website. Click on Connect Wallet, and select your wallet from the options. You'll be prompted to sign in. Double-check that you're on the real site to avoid scams. Next, up is transferring your ETH. In your wallet, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if you're not already there. Then, use the bridge interface to select Deposit to Base. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer and hit Confirm. Remember, fees might be lower on Base, but always review the gas estimates first. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on your wallet's transaction history. It should take just a few minutes to process in 2025. Thanks to Base's speedy Layer 2 tech. After it's done, switch your wallet to the Base network to see your ETH balance updated. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, check the Base network support docs or community forums. There you have it. That's how you transfer ETH on Base network in 2025. It's simple, efficient, and a smart way to optimize your crypto experience. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.